just finished doing the blue. I'm gonna put that back on. So I just finished doing the blue. These are some of the colors I'll be working with. Pretty much the same colors I normally work with. Only this is gonna be a different green. I ended up having to mix, obviously, blue and yellow. And then this one I made a darker green. It kind of looks like Akita. But I swear, it's a pretty green. I mixed blue, yellow, and then I put brown in this one to give it a little more of an earthy tone. Yeah, I forgot to go and get green today. But anyways, and then I mixed the orange and the pink to get this like really pretty coral. And so this one's gonna be the base for some large flowers, and then when I need a highlight, I'll just add white. So I like to live life on the edge. Once it's done, it's done. And then I got this awesome yellow. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna be doing some daisies today. All right, yeah, let's get started. Well, I found my green, so we're off to a great start. I'm recording myself eating, but it doesn't matter with the sound. I'm gonna block out the sound.